In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Google Play Store on PC or laptop. Download and install Play Store apps on PC. Open any browser, like Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome. In the address or search bar at the top, type Google Play Store and press Enter. Click on the first result that opens the official Google Play website. On the Google Play page, click the three horizontal dots in the top right corner of your browser window. From the drop-down menu, hover over More Tools and then click Create Shortcut or Install this site as app. Depending on your browser, a small window will appear. Type a name for your app, like Google Play, and click Install. When the next window appears, tick the checkbox that says Create Desktop Shortcut. Then click Allow or Create. Now the Google Play app icon will appear on your desktop, and you can open it directly from there. Sign in with the same Google account that is connected to your Google Play Store to access your apps. Once logged in, you can search for and install any supported apps. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.